Hey guys, here to do the 2-box limited break that just ended a few minutes ago. This is 2011-2012 limited hockey. Have both the serial numbers up. The first one is 4529735654669. That's box number 15. And then 45297356895 is box 16. So I'll leave these here and show you guys a list of the winners. Thanks everybody for the bids. Good luck. I do of course have a 4-box break of the same product ending on Sunday night this week, so be sure to check that out as well. I'm going to get both of these open and then we'll do both packs at the same time. Alright, 15. There. And 16. Alright, a little bit of a thicker pack there. So we'll open 15 first and then 16. Here we go. Good luck. First, actually, let me pull this one from the back. First is a Johan Franzen for the Detroit Red Wings. It's numbered 121 of 199. We have a Ray Whitney for the Coyotes. It's numbered 244 of 299. Then a Chris Letang for the Penguins, number 219 of 299. Last base of the box, a Brendan Shanahan for the St. Louis Blues, 28 of 299. Alright, first hit is a Andrew Ladd for the Winnipeg Jets, auto. It's numbered 13 of 25, very nice. Next hit is a pretty nice one as well. It is a PK Subban for the Canadiens, and it's numbered 37 of 99. Very nice for the Canadiens. Been looking for a Subban for a while now. Got a redemption, and I guess there is one more base card. Sorry about that. It's Johnny Bucky for the Bruins, numbered 163 of 199. And let's take a look at the redemption. It is a 2011 Panini Limited Back to the Future signature, card number 17. Let's take a look. Back to the Future signature. Back to the Future signature, number 17. This is one of those dual cards. It is a Scott Niedermayer and a Zach Parise. Number 17 there. Hope you can see that. So that'll go to, let's see. I think it's with the Devils. Zach Parise. Sorry. Yeah, the Devils is who Parise plays for, so I want to say it's going to go to the Devils. I don't know which order they're in. Let me see. Scott Niedermayer, just to confirm. If he doesn't play for the Devils, then we'll have to do a random drawing for those two. Let's see. Yeah, that's going to go to the Devils then, because that's what those cards are about, is the Back to the Future. So it's Niedermayer when he used to play for the Devils, and the Zach Parise for the Devils as well. So again, this is going to go to the Devils. Congratulations. And that's it for box number 15. Here we go for number 16. You know, in the very first box I opened, we got one of those net cards. Haven't gotten one since, so hopefully we can pull it off here. Let's see. Alright, we have a Michael Camilleri for the Canadiens. It's numbered 15 of 25. Then for the Ducks, a Jean-Sebastien Giguère, 102 of 199. Next, a Drew Stafford for the St. Louis Blues, 286 of 299. Then a Claude Giroux for the Flyers, 129 of 299. I believe onto the hits now. First, it is a Phenom for the Carolina Hurricanes, Justin Falk, numbered 209 of 299. There it is. Then for the Buffalo Sabres goalie, Ryan Miller, crease cleaner, jersey card. It's 13 of 99. And then the last hit of the pack, very nice for the New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist, goalie, 2-color jersey, very, very nice, and numbered 15 of 50. So still no net card, but very, very nice pack, or 2 boxes, I should say there. Congratulations to everybody who hit. Again, be sure to check out the link in the description of my store. You'll find box number 11 of the Certified ending tomorrow night. And again, 4 boxes of the 2011-2012 Panini Limited Hockey. So once again, thanks a lot for the bids. You guys have a great night, and I will get this uploaded soon. See ya.